It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
This is a 1987 Pontiac Formula 350. It's a third generation Firebird. It has a 350 cubic inch LS1 small block engine producing around 300 horsepower. Since our ownership, we've added a catback Flowmaster exhaust system, a duraflex body kit including front and back bumpers with side paneling, all rivet driven, not smooth finish. It's been painted Nassau blue, same color as the C5 Corvette right above me. Fun fact, the F-Body was the most famous during the 1980s for its appearance on the Knight Rider series featuring the cakewalk. Big shout out to Alexis Molina for producing this film. It truly means a lot to myself and my family. And thanks to everyone for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!